to assemble SecureLoop. Take out SecureLoop from the sterile packaging. There is an absorbent pad. Keep it aside for later use. 2. Insert the tube through the loop. Make sure that the tube is always at the center of the loop by aligning to the 2 dots. 3. Remove the release paper labeled number 1 to stick SecureLoop on one side. 4. Remove the transparent paper labeled number 2 to stick SecureLoop on the other side. 5. Press gently to ensure that SecureLoop is fixed nicely on patient skin. 6. Place the absorbent pad into the loop. Step 2. How to fix SecureLoop. There are 2 steps of fixation. First, rotate the hoop clockwise until the triangle ties is intact with the tube. Rotate another 30 to 60 degrees to fasten the fixation. The hoop is divided into 12 parts, with each gap representing 30 degrees. Second, fasten the tube with the double ties system. Step 3. How to remove SecureLoop. In order to remove SecureLoop, pull the tie lock with the same direction of the arrow. At the same time, pull the tie to the opposite direction to release the tie. Next, use 2 fingers to press the unlock button and rotate the loop anti-clockwise to loosen the loop band. Lastly, remove the absorbent pad and PSA dressing to completely detach SecureLoop.